Is inflammation of a joint, is it normal? What do you guys think? What if I told you inflammation is good? And what if I told you inflammation is a normal part of the healing process? Most people don't understand that, right? Now, chronic inflammation that's just pooling up and sitting around that joint and doesn't go away for sometimes several months, sometimes several years, that's not normal and that's not good. So when you injure a joint, your body, the first thing your body is going to do is inflame the area, right? So this is the inflammation. Now what it's trying to do, imagine each one of these chairs and tables is being cells in and around this knee joint, or cells in the articular membrane here. So red blood cells are small, and if I'm a red blood cell, I can get around all of these tables and get to every single thing and supply the oxygen that all of you guys need from a tissue standpoint. White blood cells that promote the healing and the regeneration of tissue, like cartilage, are big. So all of these growth factors that are meant to promote healing are much larger than red blood cells. So the first thing that your body has to do when there's injury is inflame the area. So the inflammation is like spreading all of these chairs out and widening the aisles so the bigger cells can get into the area and start to promote the healing and the healing and regeneration that tissue needs. This is now a joint. The only way you get nutrients into that joint and waste products out is through movement. So every time you move a joint, through osmosis, you're pumping out the toxins and bringing in the nutrients into a joint. So now when you injure a joint and you use it less, you eliminate that exchange of nutrients and fluid. Now, if that happens and you don't get those healing proteins into the knee joint or whatever joint was injured, you'll immediately start the degenerational process. You'll lose the pressure inside the joint eventually, and as that pressure starts to decrease into the joint, you'll start to get cartilage touching cartilage. As that happens, you'll get a high level of inflammation and irritation that happens all around the joint constantly. Your body's constantly trying to inflame the area to provide the nutrients and the healing into there, but none of it's getting inside the joint because you're not moving it the way it's designed to move, and the cycle just continues to perpetuate.